Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex over at Laser Everything, and if you are struggling with your Ezcad activation, this is going to be a really quick video. It's going to walk you through step by step. It only takes a couple seconds. Seriously, I mean, we're going to be like in and out in a minute flat. It really is that fast, so stick around because we're getting started right now. So we want to activate our Ezcad 3 license. It's actually really simple. All we need to do, this is our folder that came with our laser. So when you get your new laser with an Ezcad 3 board, it's going to have an Ezcad folder. You're going to open it up. We're going to scroll down here until we find License Manager x64.exe, and we're going to go ahead and open that up. And once we're in here, we're just going to go ahead and click the Activate button. And we want online activation via the internet. Make sure you have a good internet connection and hit OK. And SN is the software activation string provided by ISV. So what do we do about this box? When you get your Ezcad 3 laser, you're going to have a little security key. One of the things that sucks about having a security key like this is it has to stay plugged in while you're using the software. It's a big bummer, but that's just the way Ezcad 3 works. On it, you should have printed a little serial number, and that serial number is what we're going to plug into this box. You have to have your security key plugged in order for this to work. So if you don't have your security key plugged in, it's going to deny your activation. So just make sure that after you check the number, write it down, whatever you have to do, you actually plug it back into the machine, because it's going to look for the key on the USB stick, and it's going to check that against the online database or whatever on the internet. So just make sure that you've gone ahead and plugged that back into the machine before starting this process. We're just going to go ahead and type our security key in. It's a little long, just get it in there, and we'll hit OK. And it's going to take a second and reach out online. And that's it. It's done. Once we are successful here, we're going to see this activate serial number successfully, and we're going to hit OK. And it's going to show up right here. On Ezcad 3, you have 5 activations, and once they're used up, that's it. There's no way around it. They don't make exceptions. So be really careful about where you choose to install Ezcad 3. It's not like Ezcad 2 where you can just, throw them out wherever you want on however many computers you want. There's no cracked or community edition of this software. So just be very mindful about your installs because when you're out, you're out. Once that's done, we can go ahead and close this window and we can launch Ezcad 3. It's just going to kick right up here. Ezcad 3 opens no problem, no issues with activation numbers or serials or whatever, because we've got our key plugged in, and that's all we have to do. So congratulations, Ezcad 3 is activated. Have fun. Go nuts. If you got value out of this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Let everybody else know that the content is good. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. Quick reminder to check out the Laser Master Academy. You get instant access to my entire fiber laser, CO2 laser, and now UV laser parameter libraries, as well as a bunch of awesome live streams, hundreds of hours actually. It's over 100 hours of live streams where you get real world experience of us taking care of jobs in the shop, and also bonus episodes of the podcast. Great community over there, over 600 members, so definitely don't skip out on it if you'd like to support the channel. If you can't support the channel right now, that's okay too. Go check out our Discord. It's got over 1,700 members. They want to talk to you about what you're working on, help you with problems. It's just the best community. It's so fun to hang out there. I love everybody in it. Shout out to our Discord members, because you guys are the best. And that's all I've got, guys. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I will see you in the next one.